The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is redefining excellence in industries such as nuclear power, chemical production, pharmaceuticals, food processing, electronics manufacturing, and aerospace engineering. Let's discuss its critical role in the nuclear energy sector. Nuclear power plants demand impeccable welding precision to ensure the safety and reliability of systems under extreme stress. The TATE welding machine produces leak-proof, high-quality welds for components like coolant pipelines, reactor vessels, and steam generators. Its automated orbital welding system guarantees consistency, minimizing the risk of failure in mission-critical applications. Designed to handle high-temperature alloys and other specialized materials, the TATE machine ensures that every weld meets the strict standards of the nuclear industry. Its reliability and precision significantly reduce downtime, enhancing productivity and safety. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM services. Subscribe to our channel or contact us at info.ktate.com to discover how this innovative machine meets the needs of the nuclear energy industry.